Good morning everybody, and I'm back with another experiment video, and today is going to be an interesting one. Until now we have been doing like what? Crystals. You remember that one? The colorful crystals experiment that we did with the blue and red crystals, and also we had this, what is its name? Colorful jewels, and not only that, we put every color into the test tube and it also looks like a rainbow. But today what we are going to do is something special, and I haven't done something like this in a long time. That is, we are not going to do any normal experiment, and you have to be a little cautious by doing this. If you are you should always take the help of your parents, but I already checked out what are the risks and everything. So with my parents' permission, I'm doing this alone. And we also have our instruction kit manual here, and we are going to be needing glycerin flakes along with a measuring cup. And here is something I cannot show you. Wait, I anyways have a rod here. I'm going to use it to. This is hot boiling water that I'm going to put. I'm going to break the glycerin flakes, put in this, and I'm going to melt it. And we have to do it fast because the water should not run out of its heat. And after that we'll be needing a mold, and we need a red color. I'm going to choose red. Alright. Now the experiment we are doing is, I'm just telling you the ingredients, but you might be still having that doubt. What experiment are we doing? That is a soap, homemade soap, and it is actually it can be used actually. That is the whole point of them. Or else why would we be using glycerin flakes? We might be using something more toxic. So that's why we got this. So first we should take only one glycerin flake. One. And just seal it off so that nothing happens, and you should break it into a few pieces and put it in the measuring cylinder. So okay, this is quite rubbery, sticky. Yeah. Okay, this is hard. This is hard. So you might have seen in my arena videos, normally deleted many of them because those are too bad. I mean, like previously I made them and they were not too good, so I deleted the ones that are not really useful and are not gaining much views, and that are also not good content. Now if you have a microwave, you could use a microwave, but if you don't have one, or you just don't want to use a microwave and you don't know how to use it, like with the glycerin flakes, then what you could do is just take the measuring cylinder, put it in the hot water. Put the measuring cylinder in the hot water and make sure that you keep on hold it and wait until it melts. You should wait until it melts. So don't keep it too hot because the plastic may melt. So just keep it until only the flakes melt instead of the whole measuring cylinder itself, because things can get too hot, and just boil them at like what, at a normal temperature. You boil hot water for drinking, right? At that exact temperature you boil this and keep in that water. So and wait. Now I'll cut down to how much time it takes, because it's a really lengthy process for the whole glycerin flakes to melt. So I'm just gonna cut short it. And not yet. Okay, now after that, when the glycerin flakes melt, we have to convert it into the mold, and if it starts if it starts like building up again, keep that mold in hot water again, and if it runs out of heat, then wait again and boil the hot water. Now it is melting. Okay, nice. I see it melt. So it's not taking too long. Okay, then you could wait with me here. It's melting. It's nice. Cool. Now there are also organic beauty soup soaps, and also we have medicinal soaps according to what this instruction manual says. And I usually don't look at the instruction manual for all the experiments because they are too easy, but this one is a really tough one to do, so I'm looking at the instruction manual while doing. Okay, now in organic beauty soaps we have milk and honey soap, and sugar scrub soap, saffron soap. And in medicinal soaps we have antiseptic soap where turmeric is used, and aloe vera soap. So pretty quite good. And next time I'm actually going to use that aloe vera. Well, I'm not going to record a video of it, but I'll also tell you how to make those other, organic soaps. Now, normally I'm just making the fragrant mini soap, and it's not going to be fragrant because I'm not going to add any scent to it, because those scents are toxic and they smell horrible. I ran out of rose scent, and this green apple scent is left, and it smells horrible. I don't like green apple scent at all. It smells really horrible. Okay, things are pretty close. Okay, yeah, it's melting. Yeah. I think should we use the stirring stick to fasten things, or else let's just wait. And you could skip on the video to a point where this finishes melting, because I'm going to be telling you stuff while this starts to melt. And also I'm going to add every Sunday and Saturday, because I'm having my holidays right now. So every Sunday and Saturday probably you'll be getting a video. So always stay tuned on Sundays and Saturdays. And you could also get some experiment videos. Well, about polymer science, you might be saying, okay, you did a polymer science experiment long ago. Now where are the new ones? So this magic powder is there, right? It basically turned into a gel. I don't know what happened with it. It suddenly turned haywire. I don't know what happened with it. So I guess we'll not be doing any more polymer stuff, but there are also homemade science experiments. One second. It smells nice. Okay, you don't need a scent for glycerin freaks, I think. And actually, glycerin is edible, but don't try it out. Don't. Because glycerin is used to keep any damages that are happening inside the lips or inside the mouth. So you've probably seen many people applying glycerin to their mouth, but that is liquefied glycerin, and it doesn't freeze up on temperature, while this one does. So you might have understood what's the difference between those both. And there are also many other chemicals that are added to the glycerin, and many toxic elements are removed from the glycerin. Those are chemically there, and these are glycerin flakes that are just raw glycerin done molded into those sheets. So these are not edible at all. Okay. Things are seeming to be good. Oh, it's actually quite hot in there. They are taking long to melt. So basically I'm just going to cut short the video, or else whatever. Let's keep on chatting here. Let me just check. Yeah, and there is one more feature about this glycerin. It helps it moisturizes the skin, and it acts like a moisturizer for the skin. You know those Cetaphil, Restoderma, and Cetaphil things that you apply to your body. Well, the glycerin soaps, actually you could use this while bathing. That is, unless you don't add the scent. Or else I think it's good even if you add the scent, because they are telling you could use it. Or else why would they give these antiseptic soap and everything instead of wasting all the materials? They also give these aloe vera soaps and everything. So I'm pretty sure that it's organic to use. And they're telling for the antiseptic soap to add turmeric, and they're also telling to add yellow color food coloring. What is the use of yellow color when turmeric it is? I feel like turmeric itself is a food color. It turns everything yellow for a long time. and you're just mixing it with glycerin. It's combining with glycerin, so I don't think that yellow color will go. So you don't need the yellow one here. So this is soap science for your info. We have done explosive science and all of that, but this is soap science. And we are also having a fun experiment coming up, and I think it's the bath bomb experiment. So I'm just going to try that out. And actually I tried it out once, but I did not record it because just wanted to do it for fun, and that time I was not having the certain equipment to record a video again. So okay, some things are going good. Well, let me just keep my hand in it. Oh no, things are not going good. It's taking too. Okay, I'm stirring up things to make it easier. So you could just cut short. I'm gonna cut short the video. It's gonna take like 10 minutes, and the video is already 11 minutes long now. And if I just add 10 minutes, and after that for the experiment itself, it's gonna take another 10 minutes, half an hour video. It will be too much effort to edit everything, so I'm just gonna cut short the video off. So guys, now I got it melted into a glass, and I'm going to transfer it into a mold. And you might say, why did you put it in a glass all of a sudden? Well, I'll tell you the reason. What I did is, it was taking too much time, so I took the container, put the measuring cylinder in it. Not measuring cylinder, I transferred it into this glass. Then what I did is, I just let it boil on the stove. So like that, it was actually a success. And if I would have waited here just for it to melt like this in the normal way that they told, I think it would have been taking few hours, I think. Now immediately, without making any delay, you should add 1 drop of color, and immediately mix it with a stirring stick until it starts to solidify again. Immediately you should do this process, and you should do this very quickly, because it's starting to solidify just now, like literally now. Very insane. And they're telling to wait 20 to 30 minutes in the freezer, but I think it's not needed, because it's starting to solidify now itself, and by that time everything will be done. Just 10 minutes time of waiting. And let me check if I still have my rose scent, because at the start I told I don't have much enough of rose scent. Oh, I do have. Okay, then I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 drops of that cool smelly scent. Now its time is not here. It's in the freezer. Oh, wait, actually. You wait there, and smells good. And actually it smells really cool all by itself. Well, I don't understand the point of adding scent here. It smells good by itself, so I'm going to let it sit in the freezer for like 20 minutes, and I'm just going to remove it, and we're going to use it while washing. And I think my sister is going to fight over me to use this soap while bathing. So let's check how it comes out. Guys, so I let it freeze for around 20 minutes, and look at this guy. It looks really cool. And to release the mold, I'm pressing on the back and going to wait. Yeah, the mold is unfreezed, and okay. Well, first it looks like a bowl, but let's cut all of those rims. I'm going to remove all of those rims, okay? And I'm just gonna place them back in the bowl. Because the rims looks like as if it is a bowl for something and it is a container. those rims look nasty and they're spreading everywhere on the ground. It's so sticky. It's still so sticky. It's really sticky. But it smells nice. Well, so there you have it. This guy is the soap, and I'm just going to show it from the back side, and I'm going to bath with it now. Nah, or I got an idea. We could just throw it in a bucket and wait till it gets all the soapy stuff and everything. Well, I don't think the soap will come because it's glycerin, and glycerin is not too soapy, so I don't know. But I'll keep you posted when I do understand how it works and when I use it while washing my hands. So see you in the next video. Bye guys.